Friends, welcome back to my channel, Mark My Finance, where we try and help you decode all the latest trends in personal finance. Today I'm going to be doing a very interesting topic, term life. Many of us treat term life insurance as something that is not talked about enough in society. But believe me friends, when you get married, term life is that third wheel in the relationship, that third friend that all of us should make Mr. Term as our best friend. And at the end, please stick around in this video and I will prove to you the benefits of why term life insurance is important. So I am going to be using a website called www.icici-prulife.com. I am a brand ambassador of ICICI Prudential Life. I have been associated with them for the last 23 years and it's an honor to be discussing their product with you today. It's called ICICI Pru I Protect Smart Plus. But however, do feel free to research on any website of any company on term and reach out to me for clarifications. I do not want you to understand that this video is a marketing of ICICI Pru Life in any way. So friends, let's deep dive right away. What is the benefit of a term insurance and why should somebody buy it? So well, term insurance is the simplest and purest form of insurance. Just like you buy your car and you buy an insurance to protect that car, have you thought that you are in that very same car, or when you fly you are in that very same plane? If something happens to the car during an accident, we have the peace of mind that the car will be repaired. And who pays for that cost? The insurance company. But you are in that very same car. You are exposed to that same risk. And that car is a depreciating asset. Whereas you, my friend, are a very important part of your family's financial security. If you are not around tomorrow, who is going to provide for their lifestyle? That is where Mr. Term comes in as a good friend. So friends, Mr. Term is going to be your friend by the end of this video, and I will prove it to you with the numbers and features as to why every one of us should consider buying a term life insurance policy. So out here friends, if you see who should buy a term policy, if you are salaried, self-employed, a working woman, a housewife, an NRI, all of us have the need for term insurance. Friends, at the end of the day, I can tell you, when you go out to work, you sign no contract with God. And at the end, if something is to happen to you, you want to ensure that the family is protected against financial bankruptcy due to an early death of a spouse, a grandparent, a parent, a brother. The roles we play in life are many. So let's take an example and understand why ICICI Prudential Life for a moment, dear friends. Well, they have covered more than 9 crore lives. They have a 30-day return policy in case you don't like the policy. And at the end of the day, I can tell you the claim settlement ratio is one of the finest in the industry. So let's go about understanding with a small example, is this plan really expensive? So I'm going to start with this website, and you can access this website friends by DMing me, and I will share the link so that you can come up with the right calculation. If you need my help in understanding how to arrive at the right term, that's the question you want to be asking me in this video. So out here, I enter my date of birth. I am a 40-year-old. Let us say I enter my mobile number. I choose the salaried option. I choose the annual income. I choose my nationality, and then I hit the calculate button. Now friends, there are many discounts that ICICI Prudential offers. They offer preferential rates for non-smokers. They offer great rates if you are a woman. And they also offer some amazing rates if you buy online. Do reach out to me again to know what are these various online discounts. So let's say that I'm not a smoker out here. I'm say check premium. Now friends, how many of you were waiting for the screen to understand, is term really expensive? But the question that you're going to be asking me again, how much cover do I need to buy, Mark? For that, you need to come to my website, reach Sequeira.com, and come to the calculator section and click on the term planner. So here friends, you will see introducing Sequeira's term planner. Your family's financial security is priceless and protecting it starts with the right life insurance term plan. So by analyzing key factors in the calculator will tell you exactly how much term you need to buy today. So let us say my annual income is 12 lakhs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my annual expenses that I spend per month is 30,000. My liabilities, let us say I have an outstanding loan of 10 lakhs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my long-term goals, I want to create a corpus of 2 crores for my son's education and my wife's annuity in case I'm not around. And the number of years, I would like to protect them. Now, I would like to protect my family for another 50 years. But if I'm going to be very, very clear out here and put 30 odd years, it comes that I need a coverage of 6.78 crores. Now, friends, am I going to be taking this answer? For that, you need to reach out to me and I will help you by doing a detailed analysis of your needs, of your liabilities, and helping you arrive at this calculator. I am an IRT certified agent, so you can bank on me. So out here, friends, I am going to be entering 3 crores. And I am going to be entering the age. The age is close to 71 years. Now, friends, ICICI Prudential Life has an option called the Smart Exit option. And I would want to pause in the video and explain to you the Smart Exit option. The Smart Exit option is an option where, remember, if you're paying for your car insurance, do you get any money back? Absolutely not. But in insurance, to help you make the decision, companies like ICICI Prudential Life have come up with this Smart Exit option. It says that if you remain in the policy for 25 years plus and you are 60 years and above, 5 years before the maturity of your policy, you can tell the company, give me back all my premiums. I have survived. I no longer need this cover. So here I told you I was a 40-year-old. I have stayed in the policy for 30 years because I choose to be covered till 75 years of age. And at age 70, 5 years just prior to the 75, I can tell them to give my money back. So out here, you can see I'm going to be selecting the option up to 75 years of age. Friends, look at the cost. It is 6,371 per month to protect my family. There is no GST anymore. So all of you need to make this decision and take a higher cover. So at 6,371, I am able to provide my family 3 crores of cover, peace of mind. Now there are many calculators, there's a lot of logic on how to arrive and how to build the right term policy. You need to work with somebody like me to be able to make the decision. And I can do this for you for free to help you understand. If you have an existing term going on and you want to do a top up, reach out to me. So out here you can see there's also an option called the limited pay, the regular pay. Even the options in which they give out the money are many. They have the lump sum option. They have the monthly income increasing option. They have the increasing monthly income option. And they have the lump sum plus monthly income option. I will do separate videos on all of this. So make sure you like this channel and subscribe so that you get the update. Friends, this is Mark My Finance and I hope you enjoyed this brief video on the importance of term. Do follow the channel so that you come to know, and we will share more details on how to deal with term and buy the right term policy.